Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz S560. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. I would like you to know, right under the passenger headlight, there's a chip right here and another chip right here. But the rest of the bumper is in good condition. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver's side doors. Both front and back door look good. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches at all. Now we're going to take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in perfect condition. I'm not seeing a scratch on here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the trunk looks very good. I'm not seeing any scratches at all, and the back bumper looks perfect as well. Now we're going to move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I do not see any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look good. They have no scratches or dents at all. And now the last fender and wheel looks excellent. I do not see any scratches on this fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. First, we're going to start with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Everything looks fine. Let's move on to the back seat. So the passenger side is in good condition as well. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. That looks very good. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.